Roxanne Stensvad, again, McLeod County Master Gardener. And I wanted to share with you how my garden is doing from that first time it was on. And I had to select some different kinds. I wanted mostly perennials in that, but I also wanted to have some blooming from spring to summer to fall. And the first thing I started with were these irises. And I had them in just one corner in the original garden that was right on here. And that was it. I always put annuals in the rest of it. But I decided, why haven't I divided these? You know, I always stress, divide, 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 but I had never divided these in about 15 years. So I dug them up and they were just so scrunched in there. And from one spot, I got 9 spots now. And I am excited. I am very excited for this because I've got them here and here, 2 spots there, 2 spots there, and so forth. So a lot of different areas. So that was the first thing I did. And then I looked, I have another kind of a ground phlox right here, okay, that I left because I like that. That's a spring bloomer too, and I got a little bit over there. And then for the summer, I thought I got some lily bulbs, and I already had this. It's a dwarf phlox, so I added that. So I looked at my beds. What do I already have that I can use? I always like to put in an annual, though I think I chose the wrong annual, to be honest. They're pretty. These are impatiens, but they're not getting very big. They're only about this high, and I was expecting maybe to be that high, that they would grow, but they kind of stayed that way. And even though they're beautiful to look at, I want something just a little bit higher. That's what I want. That would bloom from the time I put them in till fall. So I'll be working on that part. And then I put in the center some mums, which I might have to deal with. This one hasn't gotten too big, but this one is a mammoth type that I learned recently was developed by the University of Minnesota. And I can see now what's called mammoth. It's getting big, and it might be too big for the spot. So that's what you have to learn is just because you plant it doesn't mean it's perfect. And since this is the first time, I've learned, okay, not going to do this again, or I might have to move some things around.